Hello everybody, thank you for joining me today. You're welcome to FRANKA'S kitchen. So today I want to share with you something my husband bought for me, some things he bought for me. This knife sharpener, have been wanting it. I actually saw it on media, media shop on TV while they were advertising it. I was like, wow, this would be great to have. My dears, my fellow listeners, this thing did not meet my expectations at all, not one bit. And another thing he bought for me was this frying pan. Yeah, I needed another fry pan, like seriously, a smaller one compared to what I have. I just feel, I'm gonna buy. And ordering things from online has taught me a big lesson. So when he saw this, he thought of buying it for me, and I really appreciate it. I think it's about 15 euro, approximately 16 euros. And the portability of it is what I like. I can make the smallest of anything I want. I'm not going to be thinking of the largeness of my frying pan, you know. Yeah, I really like it because it's also a non-sticky pan. Very, very good. Normally when he buys things, he's the one that brings them to the house, but that day, because he bought what he knew I wanted, he allowed me to bring them. He made me to go to the car and bring them in. Now here is my annoyance concerning this knife sharpener. You know, when they advertise things on TV, you feel these are the best things that has been created. In fact, the way they advertise this, I thought all my knives will be better. I won't experience any blunt knife anymore. It will be easier for me to sharpen them. My knife was as blunt as James Blunt, even when I made use of it. They make you feel this thing that they've produced is the best thing that has happened to planet Earth after bread. You want to have it. If you are not careful, you buy the whole world from what you see on television during adverts. So I put in my knife just to do testing. This thing did not sharpen jack. I was like, okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong. But no, my dear, I was not doing anything wrong. This thing did not sharpen, so it did not any part of my knife. So I don't know, maybe it will work for you when you buy your own. But this thing did not help me in any format. And I thank God I did not use my own money to go and buy it. But anyway, I'm going to keep trying it. Maybe I did something wrong. Maybe I did not know how to do something there. So thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you in my next video. And you can buy your knife sharpener if you feel you need it. Or buying things from television, don't try it. Don't try it because you'll be disappointed. Try as much as possible to go to the shop and ask questions. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've seen this.